guys, David Hoppin here from Davidsbeenhere, coming at you from rainy Lahore, Pakistan, in partnership with my friends at Manaky. Today I'm taking you to do two amazing things. We're gonna eat lunch here at 5 Star Nan Shop. They're famous for a lot of different naans. They have stuffed naans, but they also have a beef naan, which basically they mix the minced beef with the dough, then they put it in the tandoor, and it's gonna be amazing. From here, we're gonna drive 30 minutes to the border between India and Pakistan, the Wagah border, to see the flag ceremony. That happens every single day at 5 p.m. You have to attend it if you're here. I mean, I already went to the Indian side. I can't wait to see it from this angle. Are you guys ready? Let's go inside, let's eat. Okay guys, we're in the back where they're making all the naans. This is incredible. They have two huge tandoors. It's a conveyor belt. They have about 25 men here just going non-stop. The guys in the end, they're stuffing the naans. They're mixing them, right? Over here, they're flattening them, making shapes. Then they put them in. They let them sit there for like, what, 2 or 3 minutes? They pull them out, and that's it. I cannot wait. I'm eating everything. Let's try all of them. All of them. Why not? This is incredible. Wow, so hot. Look at that. There's like 25 naans inside the tandoor. Super hot. Like I said before, it's like 8 different styles of naans, right? And the way you know the difference is the way they shape them and what they do. Sometimes they use a little machine, you know, they go da 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 da. Sometimes they use their hands. Sometimes it looks different, right? This one, it looks like whole wheat. The other one looks like pure just white wheat. Some of them you can see all the vegetables, right? And it's a non-stop conveyor belt, right? So at the very end, you have the flour, the dough, they're rolling it, it moves over, these guys flatten it, they shape it, they design it, the way they have to make it for each one. And then it goes over here, the guy puts it on the pillow, puts it in the tandoor, 2 minutes, pulls out. I'm so excited. My man, shukriya, shukriya. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Shukriya, shukriya. All right, let's go. Let's eat. They also add ghee at the very end. Lots of ghee. The best.
Hey, David, we have a bunch of variety of naan. We have beef naan, 1 cheese naan, 1 chicken naan, 1 potato naan, and 1 gram flour naan.
Okay, and we also have a bunch of raita, and this raita is actually a little different, right? Another unique raita. Always very herby. This one is greener.
Exactly.
Oh, it's gonna be so tasty. And this is our naans. Amazing. This one, you can tell is the beef one. That one, I don't know what it is, but this is brown flour. I mean, this was incredible. Look at that spice. So we try the first one.
Let's do it.
So get in, get a piece, and you just get some of the raita, right? That's it. That is so good. It tastes almost like a beef pizza with egg. Like similar, right? Not spicy.
Crispy. It's more crispier. Not that much spicy, but more crispier.
Oh wow. My gosh. This is incredible. You can order this if you find it, right?
Exactly.
Alright, I'm trying this one. Have to. There's so many to try. So little space in my stomach. This is all bread. Alright.
It's more than like a pizza.
It looks like a pizza. It tastes like a pizza too.
Yeah. We call it a desi pizza.
I love it. Dipping into the raita. It's a very light raita. Zabardast. Which one's next? This one?
Yeah. This one potato.
Oh, this one is soft.
Stuff the potato inside.
This is incredible. Super soft. These are more
These
crispy.
are crispier and this one is softer.
So extremely soft dough.
Yeah.
Outside, a little charred. I love it. So it has spices. It has the aloo, right? Nice potatoes. A little bit spice, not so bad. Oh, but you have to mix with the raita.
Delicious.
Extremely delicious. You brought me to the best place, bro. He was like, you have to try this naan. I was like, naan? Only naan? He's like,
Only naan.
Only naan. And
This one is cheese naan.
this cheese?
Cheese naan.
This one's more like a pizza. Melted cheese. I got a little more of this one. This one is the best.
This one is the best.
Go over here.
This one is chicken cheese naan.
Oh wow, look at
They
that.
have stuffed the chicken,
So it's pulled chicken
and cheese.
and spices. I love these naans.
Good.
These are the best naans ever. They also have the plain one. That's too basic. This clutch. Stuffed naans are so good. They are very similar to pizza, right? Similar, not the same. Obviously going to tandoor gives it a whole different taste, right? That smokiness, it bakes so fast. Wow. So I'll rank
It's a
them.
naan factory.
Yeah, it is a non-factory. Literally, there's 30 guys in there just going non-stop. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5.
Exactly the same.
Yeah? A little bit more. Too good. And the great thing about this is it feeds 5 people. 5 naans, 5 people. We all eat and we get stuffed. Look at the beef one. Too bad. Delicious. If you don't come eat this naan, you have not eaten naan in Pakistan. It is the best. The best naan in Pakistan, right here. 5 Star Nan. All right, Wagah Border. Let's go. Shukriya. Thanks, guys.
The border is about 30 to 35 kilometers around from here. We are at Muslim town more, and we are heading toward Wagah Border.
And is it the same as India? When I get there, I can get like a flag? People are selling flags, Pakistan flags?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Awesome. Yeah, definitely buying one.
Yes.
I need to buy one.
Yes.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
There's no hoping.
I don't
Inshallah.
know. Inshallah.
Inshallah. I know, because now with COVID, things are a little different.
Yeah.
The rain also.
COVID and rain.
Well, lots of people here. So, luckily for us, no more rain. Sun came out. Great day.
Yeah.
Just in time, because that would be really bad because there's no covering at the Wagah Border. You're outside in like a little stadium, right? And you watch the military come out. They perform like it's a parade.
It's a kind of
Okay.
Fake cloud also.
Yeah, at the very, very end, they pull on the flag. So you have about, I'd say, a 45-minute ceremony, and you should get there early. That's why we're getting there early. Right now it's almost 2 p.m. It's at 5 p.m., but we're getting there about 2+ hours early because crowds, and obviously right now because of COVID, they're limiting how many people can go inside. So we'll be there soon. Hopefully we'll run into something on the way. Maybe some more snacks. I don't know, maybe a lassi. I'm joking. I mean, we're in Punjab, man. In Punjab, it's all about the lassi. Give me that ghee and that lassi. We're about 15 minutes out from the border, but we decided to stop because it's a very traditional dish here. It's like a massive pizza, huge pizza. And behind me, we have a UNESCO World Heritage Gardens.
This is Shalimar Garden. This is called Qatlama. This is big size pizza, and they do it deep fried.
So the deep fried pizza, deep fried, and what do they have? Just masalas?
Yes, masalas.
I mean, it looks great. Can we try it?
They fried some gram flour
Okay.
and some masalas, and they deep fried it.
Amazing. And then they have jalebi next to it. They have a sweet. There's a lot of fruit vendors everywhere here. All right, guys, I'm gonna try it. Just gotta break it. Really good. Yeah. So it's basically fried dough with some nice masalas. Hard to get it though. It's really oily. Pretty damn good. I mean, wow. I don't know what to compare it to. I'd say it's more like a spongy consistency, right? Wow. Nice and tasty. 2 masalas. There's a lot. Today's all about breads. Bread.
Sometimes oven, tandoori bread, sometimes deep fried bread.
This is good, but obviously I prefer that beef. The beef naan was the best. What is this?
It's a sweet pakora.
There you go.
This is sweeter.
I guess I'll try one. Sweet pakora. Those seeds. Crunchy. In the middle, very soft.
It's made by rice flour and sweetened and deep fried, just simply.
May I have another one? One more? Crunchy.
Super crispy.
Super crispy. After this, we need chai. We need chai to like wash it all down.
Yeah.
We still have some time, so we're gonna stop for some chai. I need it. I need to wake up. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, but no water, no water.
No water. Yes. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, so this is a special tea. Just milk,
Yes.
no water.
Yes, man. And
Dupa tea, right? Dupa tea. Good, nice. Oh, it's not so hot. Actually, it is. Hey, cheers, guys, cheers. Let's go to the Wagah Border. Let's do this. Oh, wow. What a go pick me up right now. Cup number 250 of the trip. So good. Nice and hot. It's going down pretty fast though. I think it's the mug. The mugs cool it down. You can't have it cold? I need it cool. I can't have it this hot. It burns the pipe. Thank you. Shukriya. See you soon. All right, let's go, Wagah Border.
Let's go.
We're about 5 kilometers from the border, and over here to the left we have a big farming community. Lots of cows, goats, and sheep everywhere. And in front of us, you can see the pole, and that is Wagah Border, and we're getting to a checkpoint now, so camera has to go down. After about 5 checkpoints, we're finally inside the Wagah Border. Can't believe how many checkpoints. Literally, they ask you the same thing, you know? And we have VIP parking. Well, that's great. Thank you, Manaky. And the one thing you have to do here is get a flag. What's up, guys?
I give you a gift.
You gonna give me a gift?
Yes, sir. I am Hashim's.
What are you gonna put it on my arm? Awesome.
I am a face painter regularly. There.
Okay.
Okay.
Shukriya.
Welcome, sir. Oh, okay.
I opted out of the paint on top of the face because I have to be talking on camera. But this is nice. Look at you.
Yeah.
Look at you. You look great. And this is the Wagah Border. Pakistan, India. As you can see, there's people here, but obviously they spread out everything because of COVID. The other side is empty because of COVID. They basically said no one's allowed in. And yeah, the cool thing is, at the end of the ceremony, we're gonna go to line 0. Line 0. And sorry for the music. This is how it is. We have to get here an hour and 30 minutes early, so we still have an hour before the actual ceremony starts. It's gonna be epic.
Yeah.
And here we go, it's 12 o'clock. The ceremony has begun. Okay.
Pakistan! Pakistan!
मुअज़्ज़िज़ ख़वातीन व हज़रात, आपसे गुजारिश है जैसे ही कौमी परचम उतारा जाए आप इसके एहतराम में पाकिस्तान 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 जिंदाबाद मुअज़्ज़िज़ ख़वातीन व हज़रात, आप परचम के एहतराम में अपनी अपनी जगह पर खड़े रहें और बवर्दी हज़रात परचम को सल्यूट करें। शुक्रिया।
So good news, we got access to the front line. Front line. So once ceremony's done, you can come right here to the front line and get a photo with one of these guys, one of these rangers. Right here on the line, right in front of India. Incredible.
It's amazing, amazing feeling here. Pakistan,
Zindabad.
Pakistan,
Zindabad.
Jeeve, Jeeve, Pakistan,
Jeeve,
Jeeve,
Pakistan.
Pakistan, Zindabad. Thank you, thank you.
Thanks, bro. And that's it, guys. The day is over. We had incredible naans at 5 Star Nan. It's like the naan factory.
Yes,
We tried 5. My favorite's the beef.
beef one.
Beef all day for us.
Yes.
And then we drove a little bit. We came all the way over here, 30-minute drive, a lot of checkpoints to get in, and we saw the Wagah border. Incredible experience. You should definitely do it if you're in Lahore every single day, 5 p.m. Get here around 3 p.m. And you know, obviously you just gotta get here early, and hopefully there's seating, right? That's sort of how it works.
Exactly.
All right. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
If you love the video, thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one in Lahore. Let's go.